Everyone has dream, everyone want to be successful, but very few of them get success. Why is it so? Have you ever thought about it or ever tried to know the reason behind it? If you have never thought about it or never tried to know the reason behind it, then in today's video I will tell you the reason behind it. Hello everyone, I welcome to all of you my YouTube channel and I hope you all will be doing great and trying to achieve your goal. My name is Muhammad Naim and today I am going to share with you that what is the reason that very few people get success, even a lot of people dream of success. There might be two major reasons behind it. Your failure which stop you to get success. First, probably you may not have clear vision, and the second, you are not focusing on the right thing. What you need to do, progress. Today, I'm going to tell you what is the importance of focus. Why do we need it, and how can we remain focused? Let's begin. Focus is the ability to direct our attention and energy towards one goal without distraction. It is like a magnifying glass that gathers scattered sunlight into one powerful beam. Without focus, we waste time, energy, and opportunities. So be focused and give your 100% effort to your goal. Otherwise, you will not get success ever in your life. Being focused doesn't mean being busy all the time with one thing. While I agree that focus is useful, I believe too much focus can sometimes be harmful. If we only concentrate on one particular thing, we may ignore other important aspects of life, such as a relationship, health, or creativity. So we have to focus, but with balance, because balance is as important as focus. What is focus balance? Focus means concentrating on what truly matters. For a student, it is studying without distraction. For a sportsman, it is keeping eyes on the goal. For a leader, it is staying committed to a vision. Focus brings clarity and direction. But focus is not just about ignoring distraction. Sometimes distraction themselves bring creativity. For example, many inventions were born when people attention wandered. If they wouldn't have distracted, we would not have got to know what can distract us and what can't. Because a rigid definition of focus may limit imagination. Why is focus needed? Focus is needed because success demands consistency. History proves this. Edison focused on inventing the light bulb after thousands of failures. Great athletes train daily with focus. When in daily life, if you don't focus on your work, you will make mistakes. Focus separates winners from dreamers. How can we be focused? We can be focused by setting clear goal. Set your goal and make a schedule what you have to do at a particular time. Avoiding distraction like social media. Try to use less social media because social media is like our enemy. If you will not be aware to it, it will distract you because social media was made to addicted people. Practice discipline and time management. Practicing and discipline is most important than motivation because motivation comes and goes, but once a discipline built, it will remain long last. Training the mind through meditation and mindful, it means always be busy with that thing which is helpful for you, like reading books and trying to sit quietly, close your eyes and focus only on your breath inhale and exhale. Mindfulness means being present in daily activities. When someone talks, listen fully without planning your reply, just observe their words and tone. So the conclusion of this story is tell focus is the key to achievement. Without it, talent is wasted, time is lost, and goals remain dreams. Focus creates success, so be focused because focus is necessary. It must be balanced with flexibility and self care. Too much focus on one thing can blind us to the beauty of other opportunities. Focus is essential for success, but balance is the art of living. A wise person knows when to focus deeply and when to relax the mind. That's all for today. Thank you watching for this video. We will catch up soon in upcoming video. If you enjoyed this video, appreciate me by like and subscribe.